Welcome back. A PSI attached with Special Branch CID died on duty at police headquarters. PSI Vishwanath Tilve on Wednesday had joined his duty on his regular timings. There was no complaint from him about any restlessness or uneasiness. He died before he could be admitted in the hospital. Prima facie, it seems that Vishwanath Tilve died due to heart attack.
Vishwanath Tilve म्हणून सब इंस्पेक्टर, he was attached to Special Branch CID at headquarters. ताजी death झाली.
On duty, sir.
Aye. He was in the office.
Okay, किती खाल्लेले असे किती कसं death झालं?
खबर ना. तर formalities चालू होता. He is from Parliament. So I think तो पुढले फेब्रुवारीन retire जातो.
The Union Ministry of Environment and Forest has asked for the suggestions and objections on the draft notifications from the stakeholders on protected areas. Ministry has given 60 days time from the date of notifications. The draft notification has suggested to close down mining with immediate effects, which falls within 1 kilometer of the eco-sensitive zone. Chief Conservators of Forest Richard D'Souza informed that people can give suggestions or objections through letters and online also. State opinion was to close down mining activities which comes under eco-sensitive zone in a phased manner. Earlier, MOEF had suggested the same, but according to new draft notification, mining activities have to close down with immediate effect.
Earlier in the notification, we had requested that the mining should be phased out over a period of time. In the new gazetted notification, that element has been deleted. So we will have to definitely contest that with the MOEF and also in the court.
According to draft notification, following other areas: Madai Wildlife Sanctuary, Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary, Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary, Bondla Wildlife Sanctuary, Dr. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary.
People can give their say within 60 days of the issue of the gazette notification if they agree or disagree on the subject matter that it refers to. Earlier also this notification was there, but it was not gazetted. Now it has been properly gazetted with a specific time frame, and the people will have to either give the say to the forest department for it to be conveyed to the MOEF, or they can tell it directly to the MOEF.
MLAs from mining belt had slammed this draft notification during the summer session. Reporter Mahesh Khadi with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent. Panji Fast Track Court is likely to allow to have the documents to Tejpal's counsel. Prosecution also consented that mirror image of raw CCTV footage can be given to Tejpal, but opposed Tejpal's demand to provide entire call details with mobile tower locations, details related to the case. Prosecution stated that it is not annexed in the charge sheet. The court will hear this matter on 22nd April. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court will hear the Tejpal's bail matter on 21st April.
During the hearing on Wednesday, the trial court cleared that as per the Supreme Court's ruling, Tejpal is entitled to get raw footage of the hotel from 7th November till 29th November 2013 as it is submitted before the court. Prosecution withdrew its objection and requested the court to send DVR containing raw footage obtained from the hotel to the Central Forensic Science Laboratory to make a mirror image. But prosecution stated that the defense side is demanding some documents which are not part of the charge sheet. Pointing out Tejpal's demand to provide entire call records with mobile tower locations, prosecution said that they have not relied upon those documents. Hence, it cannot be provided to the accused. The court has directed both the parties to talk and find out that what documents are a part of charge sheet. The court has asked both the parties to make a list on next date of hearing and then appropriate order will be passed. The court has adjourned the hearing for 22nd April. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court will hear Tejpal's bail plea on Monday. Tejpal in his petition has stated that he had written the apology letter to the victim girl on Shoma Chaudhary's direction to resolve the issue. But now the prosecution is using that letter against him as confessional statement. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
A bike belonging to an intelligence officer was stolen from Panji in broad daylight. Assistant Director of Intelligence Bureau Shanta Madiwal has given a written complaint to Panji Police, stating that on 11th April he had parked his official bike near the State Bank of India Treasury branch in Panji. But when he returned back, his bike was not there. Panji Police has registered a FIR and are investigating the case. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.